Hi, I am LB0FI Morton, and thank you for watching. Today we're going to set up and test the LB0FI Dipole, so hang on after the intro and we'll get started. Okay, I'm all set up. A little bit cramped. Forgot to bring an extension cable for my battery, so the battery lead is way too short. The antenna is up, and let's just see how it performs. Let's just tune a little bit around on the 20-meter band and see how it works. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India portable QRP.
QRP station again.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
Negative. Lima question mark again.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India London Brazil 0 Florida Italy QSL.
Lima Bravo 0 Papa India Lima, is that correct?
Negative. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Negative. Lima Bravo 0 Papa again.
Negative on the Papa. The suffix is Foxtrot India Florida Italy QSL.
Lima Bravo 0 Florida Oscar Italy.
Negative. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Okay. Good afternoon. You are 4x4 in the clear. 4x4 in the clear.
QSL, you are 5x1, 51, 5x1, QSL.
Okay, thank you very much for 5x1, 73, 44, good luck, bye-bye.
73, bye-bye.
Yeah, from Mike 0, Lima Golf Whiskey.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
There's a Lima station, go again.
Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
I think I copied Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India QRP.
QSL, and could you please repeat your call sign? I didn't write it down fast enough here. You are 5x1, 51 in southern Norway, over. Mike 0 Lima Golf Whiskey QSL. You were a 4x4 on your last there, but I'll give you 5x4 in the log. Over.
Thank you for the 5x4. You're a 4x4 into the okay. And name this side is Will, Whiskey, India, Lima, Lima, and park reference is Golf 0542. Golf 0542, QSL?
QSL Golf 0542, and the name on this one is Morton, Mike, Oscar, Romeo, Tango, Echo, November. QSL?
Yeah, QSL, nice to meet you for the first time, my friend. Keep safe and be well and enjoy your activation.
You too, and good luck.
This is India 4, Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie, Italy 4, Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie.
Lima Bravo 0, Foxtrot India, QRP.
The station QRP Lima Bravo 0.
Lima Bravo 0, Florida, Italy, QRP.
QSL, Lima Bravo 0, Florida, Italy. Thank you very much for your call. 73 and 5 and 9 the report.
Thank you. You are 5 and 1, 51 here in southern Norway.
QSL, thank you very much. This is India 4, Whiskey Radio Tango Charlie.
And that concludes my quick demonstration of the LB0 Fox India dipole. And as you can see, it works even on 5 watts and pretty up and down conditions on 20. I managed 3 QSOs in, well, in about 10 minutes, I think. And I'm satisfied with that. It's windy today, so I'm not going to stay out too long. But for all of you guys who have purchased the antenna, thank you. And for all of you guys who wants to purchase the antenna, the details are down below in the description. And thank you for watching the LB0FI YouTube channel. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.